Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful LED glam light sconce. I purchased a box from Dollar Tree, as you can see here, with the little stars in it, and I had some leftover gold metallic poster board from Hobby Lobby from my last project. So I cut the poster board to size. Here I'm just making sure that it's a good fit, and then I proceeded to glue the poster board onto the box. This is one of the last DIYs that I needed to create for my master bedroom makeover, and I will then be ready to edit and upload a video for the total bedroom makeover. You don't want to miss it, so please make sure that you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out. It's going to be really nice. And this is what the box looked like once I was finished applying the poster board all around. I then proceeded to glue 4 of the tumbling tower blocks from Dollar Tree together with some wood glue, and I actually made 2 sets of those. Then I poked a hole into this through the star of the box into the poster board, and you'll see why in a minute. I purchased this motion light LED light from Amazon, which is rechargeable. I couldn't find any other, so I won't be able to use the motion function on this piece, but if I don't want it anymore, I can remove it all and use it somewhere else. So I'm poking the cable of the USB charger through that hole. Here I'm testing to make sure the lights are all working. And then I'm attaching the unit with some Velcro so I can remove it later when it needs to be recharged. And I'm attaching it like this into the box. Here I'm applying some really nice rhinestone trim to the top of the box for a really glam look and to hide a few imperfections. And this is what it looks like once that was completed. Then I proceeded to glue the wooden blocks that I showed you earlier on top of the box to apply my long wooden stick that I painted black to the top of those. And those 2 are necessary to balance the wooden stick out because it's pretty long. I used wood glue to attach it and then let it dry properly. And then I removed any excess glue for a clean and smooth look. Then it was time to adhere the self-adhesive LED strip around the wooden stick, and I completely covered it, sides, front and bottom. And I will leave a link for this light in the description box below. If you know of a USB rechargeable LED light that is not motion sensor, please let me know. I couldn't find it at the time, so this is what I got. Here comes the somewhat nerve-wracking part. I had to cut it because it was a little too long and I was a little nervous about it. I wouldn't know if it still worked, but it did, so that was good. Then I used these 2x2 inch beveled mirrors and I started to glue those on top of the wooden stick. I laid them out first to make sure what the fit would be, and I put about a 1/4 inch gap in between each. I was gonna line them all up like right under each other, but then I thought, no, this is a better look, and it showed a little bit of that black as well. And it was as simple as that. Here is the finished look. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't really show the beauty of it. It's hard to capture that light and what it actually looks like. but it really exceeded my expectations. I am so happy with how it turned out. I hope you love it too, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and please stay tuned for that bedroom makeover. And here is what it looks like at night. It really gives this beautiful, soft, warm glow, and I'm just in love with it. I want to thank you all for watching, my existing subscribers and all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Take care.